Welcome to the video everyone, and we have taken a lot of time but still we have a new topic to cover, and today we will see our own navigation, like that's here, navigate to a new screen and back. So as you can see in this video, we have a application that showing the navigation like one screen, two screen, three screen. So for now, till now we have only created screens that have like an app that have only single screen. In that you may also get confused, like we previously created an application for Pokemon quiz, in that we were translating to different quizzes, but that's only one screen. So for today we will be creating app that has navigation using two methods. So one is we will be using called what to call, like there are two ways, either use some programmatic way or either use some. Let's create an application. So Flutter, create a very simple app. It's called an app. So all my aim is today video is that gonna simply gonna show you how we create multiple screens and how we can like go or perform navigation using programmatic lines or some UI. So let's get started. Let me open my code. So you also got the idea that I am returned to my Windows as OS, as because I have faced too much cruelties there, so I need to run away. So right now I am back to the square. Okay, and let me just clean it up, all this up. I like cleaning things, and a bit of light I need. Okay, nice. That much enough, good for me. Okay, so one line, two line skip. For now, I will close my this note for a little bit because I am reaching my quota. I will reach it out note for 5 minutes. I think that's enough for me. Create an entry point, so I'll create void main, and that makes our entry point. Let's call our an app method. It will create entry point for us, and putting a semicolon here. Let's create an application void, sorry, the software command stl for creating this. Now we are faster enough, you can understand what I'm doing and I can understand what I am doing, like, so we are in the same path. Let's create a entry point for application like material app. In that we need some things, like first we need a theme, no, not theme, not go the theme because we are not following some theme, but still let's go for theme if that it is. Okay, and I will go from what is called, there's some term I don't remember, let me just home. Okay, for now, so whenever you're creating some screens, so rather not be nasty making on the place and go anywhere there, we just create a folder called screens, so you can call it views, and in screen we will create a, we call it home screen. That's a like convention for the dart. You followed underscore methods, and there's one more screen I would want to create, another screen, let's call it another screen. Very weird naming sense, but still it's fine for us. Okay, and dot, we create a logic for one and we pass them to other. So I will pass stl. I want stateful, I want home screen first, and it's a scaffold. In there I will create a body as a center, and I will pass some text, call it a text, and we will pass as a home page. Very simple enough, but we just want to go like understand what's happening right here, and I will copy all that logic and paste it in then here, and just change this name, control shift L. Now then go for another screen. I forgot some by mistake. Okay, nice. So for need, we need a home screen. I give it the home screen. Okay, now this is done. Right now, fast and done. Let me pass the context to what my app it is. My app, and it's now ready. Let me run the application for the first time. It may take time, but it good for us. Why not run from the button? It's always feel good while using terminal, so it's feel like developer. Okay, it's not a big issue. Okay, it's not ready. Okay, ready. So Going back to this, today very simple, nothing special. Okay, so I just down a little bit, make like a phone. It's a very good idea. Okay, like this idea, like you can make your phone. I need to click on this. Just want to resize a bit. Same here goes, I want to resize a bit. It's the first time and it will be good for me upcoming days. No issue. Okay, nice. Okay, then ready. So my same application, let me remove this debugging banner. Go with this thing. Okay, coming down here, banner, no false. Let me just me 24 minutes. Wake up. Solar, let's go push away. Okay, sorry. I my bad. This one need to be fast. No, it's feel like not good. Yeah, nice. So what we want to go on a, like if I click somewhere, I want to move to this another screen. It's very quite an easy idea. What you can do, just get in here, and I want some buttons. So why not utilize the floating action button, fab button. We'll call the floating action button. In this button, we will pass the floating action button. Floating action button. This one. It's need an on press function that will be used for Tada. Okay, I will call the next, sorry, child, call a text, and I'll call go. This is a button name. I'm just making a button name. And inside the C now. Now I what I'm gonna do, I just gonna make it a very pragmatical way, like how you can go with pragmatic way. So we need to tell a current application on current screen that we want to move to second screen. Okay, so how can we do this? So we can say there's a function called navigator navigator dot, we need to like context of navigator dot context navigator, then call the off part of the context that tell the which screen we are currently, and then just begin to push what to push. Now here's the reason. So we can say we push root material page root. We need to put the semicolon, that's made the away, and now we will pass a screen. So I will just can say this thing, do this, and pass my screen. So this call another screen. My bad, typo. Nice. Okay, now what telling this, which builder need to pass builder. Nice. So whenever I click on this, I will navigate to somewhere. So let me show you how it's done. We have a go button. If I click go, and it's now gone. But where? We haven't seen anything at all. Why? Why? Do I have this? Okay. Okay, my bad. I haven't changed the text yet. I will say this is another screen. Okay, another screen. So right now we can't go back because I haven't provided the very important thing. See, sometime we want to go back. For now, this is an imitation of the like Android app. But right now we don't have support like go back like get your support for now. So what we can do, we can create an app bar for that purpose only. App bar, and I will be using just some for app bar, and I will pass some titles, pass some text in it. Let me show you the this what this is the home screen. And if we create such a thing for our app, then Flutter can hold for us, like make default thing for us. So I will be showing you how it's gonna do this. I will say it's another screen. Okay, nice. And on if I refresh, so can I make it a little bit smaller in here? Okay, nice. And of course R. I got a back button now. So that's a very good feature from the Flutter itself. Like if we create something, it looks bad right now in my imitation, but bear with it please. Okay, so home screen, I click on this, I get another screen, and that's a very good thing. That's a very basic way of doing like navigation. And the part 2 comes up. What we're gonna do, we need to pass some data. That's a very important concept. Like if you're on a home screen, okay, if you're on a home screen and I want to make some two buttons, so where the buttons in here, this one, I want to make some two buttons, so I need some changes, need to change here. I first down in here, I need to make the data, or like I need a column in here. I will copy these buttons, okay, I will copy these buttons, where this button is, it is, where, this till now, okay, now, this one. So I will copy this, okay, and right now here. So what do we want to do? So if I want to tell that if someone on, we have two buttons right now, so I will go and go special. That's the button. I made some changes, but there's no reflect text because I'm not refreshing it out. I just letting you know that what I want. There's one button. This is nothing special. Just go and you get to the next screen. And there's another go. We have to go special, that will do the some special tricks for us. So what you want to first, you need to tell the main screen that you want to navigate has some special feature. Declare something here. So I will create because this is a stateful application. But since we are not changing anything at all, the build time thing. So can I utilize this feature for now? I will create this checklist. Okay, nice. That's one of the elements feature of the Flutter. I will create an parameter called final and data. How is data coming from? I will say it is a string data. Now the application want to know that who will provide the data for now. So I will tell that this click on here, you will get a sign. I will say add this. So what is telling this, that this data is from, will be getting from another screen, whoever is trying to navigate to this screen. Like if someone from the home screen is trying to navigate to the another screen, then the home screen on the screen responsible for providing data, like in string format only supporting. And we will add this data in here because we can utilize the interpolation, what is called data. Nice. And let me make it simple for this. Okay, I will go here. You can see we have got two errors. Why? Because both screens want some data, because we are navigating the screen, we don't provide anything at all. I will say data, let's say blank, let it be nothing. And this one, I can pass some data and say that is special, like very special, very special, very special. Let's refresh this up because it's not making changes. And yak, very yak. Uh, so I need some make some changes. Let's button be sort sp dot, and I need some spacing. So I need the spacing for this. So I will say size box, this one, and get some height in here. Let's add for 10. Put the commas and remove the error. Okay, and what's left? It's going to top. I need to make it in the bottom. So go on there, get in the column this, and put the main axis alignment, main axis alignment dot, main axis alignment dot. I want the main axis alignment to be end. So end. Refresh it up, and now it's go. If I now click go, nothing special. And if I click go special, that's very good. Now we getting some error. What is telling us? They are following system error. The multiple hero that share the same time subtree. Within tree, that protocol subtree must have unique null tag. In this case, multiple hero has the following tag default connection tag. Here is the subtree 0. You got this. So we are doing right now. We are having good thing. Go and back. Coming back, we have two screen with normal things, nothing special. Coming with providing special data to it. But let's check what happening right behind. Okay, so we got an error that's saying this we are performing navigation on with different buttons, different interfaces, but same target like other screen B, because it's telling that you are using this button and this button, two different buttons but performing the same thing, like going on the same exact screen. So we can use a hero tag. It's good thing, and I nearly I forgot, but let me tell you what it can do. If I say hero tag, or this tag need to be unique, so I will say nav1. Let it be unique, and I say hero tag uh, nav2. Okay. So for now, if I go click on this, so can you notice the animation like I am having up screen going down? Okay, like this. And if I now refresh this one, okay, now you can see the animation is now okay. Okay, we can do. We will be utilizing in upcoming lessons. That's for today, and I will be seeing very soon because we have some time issues. So see you in the next video. You can get all the codes in the description down there. You can find like the code is not special in itself, but you can find. We will be adding as a GitHub repository.